Every day, millions of consumers visit Uber Eats to order various items. Listing your business on Uber Eats Marketplace helps you reach new customers and grow. To make it easy for busy business owners and managers, we've integrated with leading technology platforms. There are two main partner categories: point-of-sale partners. Sign up or connect your account through your in-house POS platform. Order aggregation partners. Link your account to a platform that consolidates all online orders and passes them to your POS system. Benefits of integrating your Uber Eats account with a partner include fast and easy onboarding, streamlined menu management, operational efficiency with online orders flowing into the same system as in-person orders. Features vary by partner, so contact your representative to understand what's available through their platform. Ready to start? Explore our list of partners to find the best platform for your needs, and check back often for new additions.